REV'IT told us we were going to go ride in the redwoods together, and Eric and I had talked a couple times, and then it was, let's get her bike and let's get her from the airport, let's go ride.
It's great to be supported by another female rider, so we know what each other's going through.
There's a camaraderie between two women.
It's just really neat to have a female teammate that we can talk about our experiences, share different passions. There's a freeness that comes with riding motorcycles. There's the experience you take in is the sound, the smell, you feel the wind on your face, you're experiencing everything just a little bit closer to what is happening around you. My favorite moment this weekend was the coastal shot when we came around the point and it was just this beautiful Northern California coastline.
I feel free, I feel genuinely happy. I don't feel like this any other time in my life.